Hi, I'm Lorenzo Scotto, CEO of Artichoke bags. I've been traveling for the last 15 years and I could not find the perfect bag. They're all really time consuming to pack and unpack. It is really hard to reach for something inside of them and they cannot fit as much as this one does. So I decided to make my own backpack. Artichoke backpack is perfect for frequent travelers. It comes in two sizes, 135 liters, 127, and they're both expandable. It's the maximum carry-on size and is really comfortable with the padded back. What makes it really easy to pack and unpack is the shelving system that can be detached and hanged in the wardrobe. And you can still go around with the backpack without it. Artichoke backpack has one pocket for the laptop, one for small items such as wallet or phone, and one pocket on the strap for change or credit card. It also has one zipper to get to the main compartment so you can reach for everything anytime. And it keeps everything wrinkle-free also when it's not completely full. This backpack is completely made in Italy with the best materials you can find and is made to last. We used aluminum hooks and waterproof zippers and the best waterproof materials. The basic version comes in black, but we also make limited edition versions with recycle sales and they're all one of a kind. And you're gonna find them in our store as well. If you like our project, please share with your friends and family. And don't forget to take advantage of the discount you can find in the crowdfunding campaign. Thanks for watching.